Hi, welcome to Crazywhiz. Today I'm going to explain you about how you can reset your password because you might have created your profile and then you have forgotten your password. So now what you're going to do is to reset your password, you need to click on login here. Once you click on login, so since you don't know the password here, you have to click on lost password here. So this is the area wherein you can reset the password. So click on last password. Once you click that, you need to enter your email address here. So if you click on your email address here and get new password, if you click that, then Crazywiz website will send a new password to you. Maybe we'll send an email with a confirmation link. So you need to check your email and click on the email link and then create a new password. So using that new password, you'll be able to log in into Crazyviz website and you can access your dashboard. Thank you for watching.